will guide you through how to manage Asana approvals effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Asana project on your desktop and locate the task for which you need approval. Click on the task to open its details. In the task pane on the right, you'll see an option to add collaborators. You want to make sure that the approver is added as a collaborator so they are notified. Next, look for the section labeled Approvals within the task pane. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to add it by clicking on Customize at the top right of the task pane. Once you have the Approvals section, click on Add Approval. This will convert your task into an approval task. Here, you can assign the task to the person responsible for approving it. Make sure to set a due date to ensure timely feedback. You can add any necessary attachments or links in the task description or comments section to provide the approver with all the information they need. Once everything is set up, click on Mark as Ready for Approval. This will change the status of the task, notifying the approver that it's ready for their review. The approver can then go to the task and either approve, request changes, or reject the task using the options available in the Approvals section. Each of these actions will automatically update the task status and notify the team members involved. Using these steps, you can streamline your approval processes in Asana, ensuring that tasks are reviewed and approved efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.